Hello everyone, hello worldwide and to the different countries living in this earth. So now what today? Today is Tuesday. So ayan si Sadik. Oh. So how many months na? We just come back. Oh, I just come back here. Maybe it's almost 4 months, 5 months already. I didn't come back here. Oh, there is already a different change already here. Oh, so the parking area, the change already, and the playground here. Oh, the change already. It's a very big changes here. Okay, ayan na yung si coconut tree. Look, oh, look. Oh, ayan oh, nandoon yung yung malaki na ni Cape Centennial History Park of History yan na place. Yung mosque yata yan, kaso hindi na natapos until now. It's long time ago na yan. Centennial already. That is already part of the history. That one. And look, oh, that one is very big changes already. Because how many? It's almost 6 months I didn't come here back again. This year and last year I think there is donut already. And on that side also it's very changed na talaga. It's very changed na. It's not like talaga before. Especially when the first time that I come here, nako, when I enter the city of Baghdad, this one is very old and centennial na time, that time. Now it's become changed already. Kung sa bagay, it's 2025 already. So that's why more changes na talaga siya. Kasi nga ito talaga yung nila, everyday, every night yan. Parang AI man ko.
Why are you laughing?
Stand up. Aray ko.
Sorry.
Dali, sit down muna here. Sit down there, sit down. Sit down there, sit down. I told you mag-rubber shoes. You don't listen to me. Diba? I told you already, Celine, mag-rubber shoes. Kasi nga mag-play, mag-running. Oh, so, diba? Oh, you don't listen to me. So now, don't run. You are wearing, what's that? A shoe, so, be careful. Dali, monitoran. Lapot inside. Kaya naman natin yung camera. Close natin. Ay ko. Si bye-bye.